Okay, here we're gonna show you how to get out of vacant. Get on top of vacant. Up there. Okay, so first gotta get on this little table. And then we gotta, it's sort of difficult. And there's a pipe. And I'm just about to have it. Oh! There we go. We're up on top. It's pretty cool. And, yep, there's out. Go down there, we'll go down there a little bit. I'll jump over here. Jump, oh wait. Try over here. Okay, well, you can get up there somehow, I think. You can figure that out for yourself. We're gonna go down here. Oh, there's an invisible wall. Let's try over here. Yep, still invisible wall. Alright, you can